Vanakkam friends, this is the third video in the same week because of the fearful situation in the borders of Ukraine and Russia. I thought of updating you people often that what kind of drama is going on over there and about markets as well. So we will go into the analysis of Nifty exclusively for tomorrow, that is expiry day. I have opened the same charts which we have utilized for analysis during last week and Monday as well, but the different time frame I have converted it into a 3-hour chart. And in this 3-hour chart, I have connected the Monday low and today's high and drawn a Fibonacci retracement. All others remains the same. The trend lines which we have drawn earlier, falling trend line as well as rising trend line, and this four bottoms which it has made, everything remains the same. The only change I have made is converted into a 3 hours time frame and connected the highs and lows of this week, especially from Monday to today, and drawn a Fibonacci retracement. Today's fall, you all very well know that it is purely because of the news outcome that NATO says that there is no indication that Russia has withdrawn their troops from the borders of Ukraine. This is purely a drama which is going on between Russia and Ukraine. As I said earlier, if somebody is going to declare a fight or war, they need to go and fight upfront rather than doing some dramas like this. Couple of years back, we have had a surgical strike against Pakistan for the reason they have done some nonsense kind of activities in our borders. Everything was done without even giving any notice. They attacked us. The next within next one day, we attacked us. We attacked Pakistani troop and destroyed few of their power. Okay, likewise, maybe 2 years back, there was a tension in Ladakh going on between India and China. All of a sudden, they had a fight with us. They started shooting our army people, and on the other end, we backfired them, and we have destroyed few of their military persons as well. This is how a war kind of situation will happen, arise. I mean to say, okay, there will be no indication at all. All of a sudden, everybody will start fighting. This is how it will happen. These fools are thinking everybody has fools in the world and doing some nonsense kind of activities. Putin, Russian president, says that he is going to withdraw the troop and he says that he is ready for a peaceful treaty with the lead from NATO and US. But NATO's General Secretary says today that there are no indication that Russian troops have withdrawn from Ukraine border. I don't know what kind of nonsense these people are playing. Whatever the situation may be, tomorrow, Thursday, expiry day, our markets will have its own trend. It never respects anything across the world. Even if there is, any big earthquake in India and everything goes for a toss, it will do its own reaction. It will not respect anything on the expiry day. So now, over here, if you are seeing this Fibonacci retracement kind of stuff, this fall itself I would call a healthy fall to creates longs for the next round of up move. once this issue gets cleared. Probably, I don't know. Tomorrow again, maybe either NATO secretary may come and say, or Putin again will come and say that we are going to withdraw the troops, and it markets will move up higher. I don't know whether it is tomorrow or it is going to be on a weekend or something like that. Okay, but while connecting this FIBO retracements and seeing the levels, we have just breached the 23.8 retracement kind of stuff. I would not get surprised or excited if tomorrow morning before maybe 11 or midday, maybe 12, during that time we could test this 38.2 retracement. The 23.6 is already done, and now the 38.2 retracement will also probably get tested tomorrow, and from there on we will move towards this falling trend line. And as I said earlier, this might be the fourth attempt to break the 20 moving average. I have already explained you in detail with a simple stuff saying that correlating Nifty moves along with the Indian movies. Let me explain it once again. In any movie of any Indian movies which you see, let it be South Indian movies or North Indian movies or whatsoever it may be, the hero will react only after the third kick from the villain, especially in the climax fight. You can go and see any movies you want. In all these movies, this will be the situation. In today's live market, I have mentioned that two attempts have failed, and this is the third attempt, and we have failed on the third attempt also. So probably if Nifty has to react, it will be on the fourth attempt, and definitely it will cross the 20 moving average this time and march towards the 17,600 levels initially, 650 levels initially, and then 17,800 levels. So for tomorrow, the key thing is, if we are testing this particular level, the one which I have highlighted here, 17,225, by any chance, I don't know whether it will come or not, by any chance, if we test this level, don't even have second thoughts, just jump in and buy a 17,200 call or 17,250 call and keep it till end of the day. You will see a superb recovery from there. I will also mention the timeline. The level should come before 11 o'clock tomorrow. Please ignore the trade if the level is not coming before 11 o'clock. Say for example, 17,225 is coming after 11 o'clock. Please ignore this kind of trade. I remember already we have taken a hero or zero trade in 17,400 call, which is for compulsive traders. Never mind about it. Let it go for a loss. But if this level comes before 11 a.m. and if you are taking that 17,200 call, you will be definitely getting benefited by end of the day. Let me show where 17,200 call is. 17,200 call is right now placed at 148.25. If we are seeing a 100-point dip tomorrow, this call will be definitely available below 50 rupees, 40 or 50 rupees. Maybe 40 to 50 also would be a fine place to enter. And on the upside, you will easily see Nifty testing 17,350. If you are taking 17,200 call at 50 rupees, means when it comes to 17,350, your call will be priced at 150 rupees, which means your 40 rupees or 50 rupees, whatever in will get tripled by end of the day. And to add on, the 40 rupees which we have invested in the 17400 call would also get recovered in that particular. Hope you have understood the levels and what I am trying to say. Please mark the levels or at least write in a notepad. Tomorrow being expiry day, it will be very tough for me to give the levels on time. That is the reason I am providing you well in advance. So make use of it if that level comes. And don't even worry about any fall if it goes below 17200 until it sustains below 17200 for 15 minutes completely. Intraday it may even go to 17,175 or 180 or something like that. But don't even worry about that particular situation until Nifty is trading below 17,200 for continuous 15 minutes. Let's see what is happening in US markets right now. It is already down 159 points. Nasdaq, I always concentrate only on Nasdaq. SGX also is quoting 56 points down, which is somewhere near 17,260. If you see our levels, 17,260 means most probably we will get that levels if Nasdaq close some 150 or 170 points in red. The only situation we might not get that level will be if Nasdaq closes 100 points less or maybe even in green. We don't know what will happen in between this time till 1:30 a.m. our time when Nasdaq closes. Just give thought of updating you about the levels well in advance. Try to make use of it if that level comes before the timeline. For newcomers, you can subscribe our and stay connected in our channel. We will post lots of videos like this. Everything will be well in advance. Nothing will be a post-mortem report like what others do in markets. Ours will be well in advance analysis or forecast or reports, whatever it may be. In description of this video, I will add our Telegram channel links. Newcomers, please subscribe to our channel as well because we will be live in our channel, always active, and we have a separate group called queries group wherein you can get your queries addressed on any of your personal positions which you are trapped in the wrong direction. Have a good day, guys. See you all in the next video. Bye for now.